Hi, I'm Catherine Amon. What I want to talk about in this video is what we need to do to prepare to become conscious lovers. And one of them is we need to heal our own issues with our own body. We have all been under attack by the media, by unrealistic expectations, by perhaps being touched wrong or being judged by our bodies, by the shape, by the size, all kinds of things since we first entered the social sphere. These issues are going to show up in the bedroom. They're going to show up between us and our lover unless we do some healing work on them. So we need to, for example, challenge a lot of this being done right now, which I'm really in favor of, but we obviously have a long ways to go, is get over body shaming for size, for shape, for age, for lack of muscular, so on and so forth. And this way we've internalized this to feel bad about ourselves. We're going to be bringing this to the bedroom. There's also a lot of, since porn became so rampant, there's a lot of shaming on the shape and size of the genitals, and this has to be looked at and realized that this is unrealistic, and we have to learn to respect and appreciate the beauty of all the ways that nature unfolds. Many of us have physical abuse from the past, sexual abuse from the past. This is going to show up in the bedroom unless we clear it. There's lots of therapies, online resources, groups, ways to heal this kind of shame and abuse and pain that we've received. We want to have, checking my notes, we want to also have ability as we practice mindfulness and as we practice meditation. We want to be able to have a sensation of being in our bodies instead of cut off at the neck, which I talk a lot about is what the mainstream culture wants from us, is to be disembodied heads, thinking, analyzing, judging, rejecting, being unhappy. And when we want to come back in touch with our bodies, we want to sink down and bring our consciousness into our hearts and into our bellies. And this is something that we can bring then to our lover and to the bedroom in a more conscious, embodied self. So we want to undo the pain of the past. We want to de-armor the body so that we're not still in holding patterns from being hurt when we were young, or from being disrespected for the type of beauty that we have. And there's also de-armoring techniques that in advanced tantra we get in and actually de-armor the genitals. But in the meantime, we can work on de-armoring ourselves, helping unloosen some of that emotional wounding that's happened, so that we can come free and clean to our partners. So you have the physical, the emotional, the sexual, spiritual, and relational aspects, that the more we can do this healing on ourselves, the more we'll be able to attract and create a soulmate relationship, the type we've always dreamed of. All right, so I'm here to help you with that. Watch some more of my videos, take some of the classes, some of the workshops I do with my husband Greg, and we are here to help you in whatever way we can. Okay.